Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Jagan,
Author of
Cosmic Urban Connect. It's a coffee table book. I've expressed my feelings where I feel everything out of cosmos is. So I've expressed it art as a medium where I've used oil, acrylic, and digital expressions, and a couple of my photographs. I brought it out as a book of expressions where the cosmos is connected with all of us.
That's wonderful. So sir, how is it being at the world's largest book fair?
It's fantastic feeling, and I can keep staying here forever.
Right.
Looks like there is huge opportunities, not just to display book and go about it, but there's plenty more to learn from each and every one of the authors who have displayed and who have come out to publish their book and exhibit their books.
Are you a reader yourself?
Oh yeah, I read a lot, and if not the quantity, I read a lot of qualitative.
Right. So sir, when did you discover like a passion for this, like the cosmos?
I really don't know. Maybe I've been wondering all through my life, right from the day when the Twinkle Star rhyme was taught in my kindergarten.
That's wonderful, sir. So what is one piece of advice you want to give to our community of budding writers?
Budding writers have to express what they feel. Though there are boundaries, honestly there are no boundaries. They should stick around with maybe with the grammar of it, but not with the content of it. Content is free flow. Like I keep asking myself, as are butterflies free? It's like that. You have to just keep going out all over till wherever you can. Even what your eye sees is not the limit. Just go beyond.
That's wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. Thank you so much for coming here. I hope you have a wonderful book fair.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. You, sir.